In the last video, I showed you how to create a new project and import library. In this video, I will show you how to build circuit and see the output of the circuit. Now, I will open the last video project. I given the name as test. If the project opened directly, then it's good. If not, then click on the name of project and double-click in the schematic, then click on the page. Now, project has to open. For example, for this tutorial purpose, I will build a simple inverting amplifier. Using the op-amp 741 IC, type UA741, and choose the IC by double-click on that or press enter. Place the op-amp, and choose the other components that required for the construction of the simple inverting amplifier. I will soon build the circuit. There are some shortcuts that usually helpful. For rotation of the component in any direction, press R. And for wire to connect the components, press W. There are many such shortcuts. I will tell on next time when we will use. This circuit is not so neat, kindly sorry for that. To zoom out and zoom in, or to zoom to specific area, you can see all the options here. You can try one by one. To give the values for the component, double-click on the value that you want to change. The new window will open, enter the value and press OK. Also, shortcut for the zoom in and out, press Alt and Control button along with the scroll down in the mouse, by placing the cursor where you want to zoom in or out. Again I repeat, shortcut for the zoom in and zoom out, press Alt and Control button along with the scroll down or scroll up in the mouse, by placing the cursor where you want to zoom. Now the main part, how to simulate. Top on the toolbar, you can observe one panel. When you place the cursor, it shows Create Simulation Profile. Or, by clicking on the P-Spice on the toolbar, and click the first option. Give any name, press OK. A new window will open. In this window, you select AC Sweep if you want to do frequency response, or else select time domain. And give the value to run to time, depending upon your frequency, and how many cycle of waveform you need. In my case, I will give 2 millisecond. If all set, press OK. New window will pop up. This is the region where your all simulated waveforms will appear. Now to get output of your circuit, go to Again Back, and select the voltage probe, and place it on the output terminal. If you go back and see the waveform, you will get output of your circuit. To get input waveform also, in the circuit, place the voltage probe to the input terminal. Now you can see the input and output waveform together. To get input and output waveform in different selection, delete input voltage probe, and come back to graph, and go to plot, and click on the Add Plot. New cell will open. Select that cell and now place the voltage probe to input terminal. You can see, now input and output waveforms are at different cell. You can change the thickness of the waveform by right-click on the mouse, and click on the Trace property. Here you can change waveform thickness and color of waveform. You can copy this waveform to Word for any report submission or maybe anything. To copy the waveform, go to Window, in that click on the Copy to Clipboard, and just paste it anywhere you want. Let me paste it in the Microsoft Word. Similar way, you can paste even circuit diagram also. To that, go to circuit and select all and copy it and paste it in the Word. That's all. Thanks for watching. If didn't subscribed, please click on the red button down below and like this video. Thank you.